Imagine a world where money moves as quickly as information. Does it seem like a far-fetched fantasy? Welcome to the reality of the digital payment revolution. We've entered an era where digital transactions are becoming the norm. Traditional banking systems, encumbered by outdated infrastructure and cumbersome processes, often fall short in meeting the need for speed and efficiency in the global payments arena. Transferring money across borders can still take days, accompanied by steep fees and a lack of transparency. Enter Ripple, or XRP, a digital asset designed to overcome these hurdles. Born of the digital payment revolution, Ripple is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a technology that enables the fast, low-cost international money transfers we've all been waiting for. No more waiting for days on end, no more exorbitant transfer fees, just quick, straightforward transactions anytime, anywhere. Ripple, or XRP, isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's a game changer in the world of digital payments. But what exactly is Ripple, you ask? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. Ripple, also known as XRP, is more than just a digital currency. It's a technology that plays a critical role in the world of international finance. At its core, Ripple is a digital payment protocol that allows for real-time, direct transfers between two parties. Imagine this: you're in Australia and want to send money to a friend in France. Traditionally, this can take days and involve multiple banks. But with Ripple, this transaction happens almost instantly, regardless of the distance or currency involved. You see, Ripple uses a technology called the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm. This technology validates transactions and balances instantly across a network of independent servers, ensuring speed, transparency, and security. The beauty of Ripple lies in its efficiency and simplicity. It's redefining the traditional banking system, making it faster and more inclusive. Ripple isn't just fast and efficient, it's revolutionizing the way money moves across borders. So, how exactly is Ripple shaping the digital payment revolution? Let's delve deeper. Ripple is not just a digital currency, but a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network. It's changing the global payment system by making cross-border transactions faster, cheaper, and more reliable. For financial institutions, Ripple's technology allows for transactions to be settled in mere seconds, a significant improvement over the typical 3 to 5 business days. Businesses, on the other hand, are benefiting from Ripple's ability to handle large volumes of transactions simultaneously, making it a cost-effective solution. For individuals, Ripple offers the promise of instant, low-cost international money transfers, making it a game-changer for those who regularly send money overseas. And as for the future, Ripple is poised to continue its trajectory, further innovating and disrupting the digital payment landscape. Ripple is more than a digital currency. It's a catalyst, a pioneer, leading the charge in the digital payment revolution.